So what's in this atta?
haldi and kapli
Just
atta.
kapli atta. And this is bran, or you can just use regular, just
It's a
sukha atta.
mix bran and
Oh, there.
atta and
Oh, oh.
haldi.
Okay. So,
So taru atta and taru haldi.
so we've not mixed it entirely. We've gotten a nice texture. We have, yeah, atta shouldn't be very sticky. It's just your regular consistency that you use to make roti. And this paste is just atta, thick atta and water.
Slurry of
Slurry.
atta
Huh.
and haldi and water
Huh.
again.
Haldi, yeah, haldi will, like, it's not necessary to join, but it may give you some color if when you join. It's not necessary. And if you don't apply too much slurry, the slurry is just to help your hands move. If it's too sticky, then it's difficult to maneuver. You can use the slurry to give finishing, but if it's sort of roughish also, it's sweet and nice, it looks natural. You can use the slurry to join things, parts, because then they won't come off. So this is a coil. So when I'm joining the arms, and I will apply where I join the arms, I'll apply some slurry, so that now it's sticky, but once it sort of dries, you don't want anything falling off. So that's the main purpose. It's your glue, the slurry, which is just the atta and water. It's looking quite nice, huh?
So that haldi and the indigenous
It's looking very
ancient
healthy.
traditional healthy kapli atta. So Ganesha is the god of environment, and
And this
then
will be um, easier to do Visarjan, and it's clay will take a longer time. It's difficult to procure clay also.
so
So this is,
our Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar has told us to make Ganesha with atta and haldi.
lovely.
So we've thought that why not use our own ancient atta, which just to show that this should be eaten, and our organic haldi also. And now we've been told to just do Visarjan in our pots or in a bucket
Uh,
of water.
just a vessel.
A
Pot
vessel.
may it will clog up the matti. I
No,
think
it will be good for, it will
then it
give
has to be a big pot.
pran shakti to the
Ah, maybe,
pot.
yeah, small Ganpati in a bigger pot.
Hmm.
Yeah, you know better.
Planning to
Yeah,
maybe grow
add compost to the plant.
plant over it.
Yeah, but if that's
It'll
not
just
happening,
dissolve.
yeah, it'll dissolve. And okay, so the advantage with clay is that these arms, if I made them in clay, they wouldn't collapse. So which is why your slurry helps here when it starts falling. So it's always the right hand which is blessing, and the left hand is the one which will have a plate of modaks. So when you're making, it's good before you make to divide your biggest amount of clay, a clay ball, with the stomach, which is a round ball, and the bottom are just sort of triangular big coils, the two legs, and these. So you can divide the clay already, and then try to place it together before you build, so that you don't have less clay towards the end of it. So to make the trunk, you make it simple like this, and if you find that difficult, then you can just make this the head and the trunk separately like this. So that also works, and then you can merge the trunk into it. This looks more natural, so if you can manage that, and then when you get this sort of spiral, it looks really nice. You put slurry here, and you put slurry on the trunk, which goes in so that it sticks nicely. And then for the ears, you I keep some clay beside for the modak I want to put. You can keep some clay beside for the mouse, and then make the ears. For the ears, you take one big circle. If it's sticking too much, you can put atta and put some slurry. Pat it over. Into a roti in a circular form, and then you can cut it across just like this, so you get even ears. Dip it in a little slurry, not too much. I think this was quite a bit. You can do with less, so it's good if you take it with your fingers rather than dip it like that. Ooh, it's collapsing a little, so that the ears don't collapse, the head doesn't collapse. I think before you put the ears on, it's
could
good
have made
to
a stiffer dough actually.
no, that's not the problem. The dough is good. It can be a little stiffer, but if you join each part, so I took some clay and you join each part, then it's more stable. So I try to, apart from the slurry, I fix this combined. And the same way, I will join the ears as well, where I'm not just sticking it, I'm merging it into, it's the same rules, I mean, which apply to clay, will apply to atta, where when you are joining something, you merge the part in so that it becomes part of the piece and doesn't fall off eventually or doesn't dry out. And then let's make a big modak.
So we made Ganesha out of the stuff of modaks or the sweets which Ganesha likes. So we made him out of that.
And if you want, you can give some texture. So to give texture, you can use fork and spoon from your kitchen. You don't really need tools.
So we can make it out of
Yeah.
gobar, cow dung also. When I was a child, we
Gobar
used to.
you can mix some matti and then it will become stiffer.
Mm.
But
So
what did you do?
no. When we were children, we used to make it on the shera. We used to make Ram and Lakshman and Ravan and everybody out of
Gobar?
desi cow gobar.
अच्छा
हाँ
Wow.
and then उसका पूजा होता था. So actually the Ganesha proper बन सकता है mixing with mud, and then we can actually grow a plant in that.
eyes are not so prominent with the tool, we can add the eye with the clay to look really cute. Is it okay? Ah. Still funny.
Just merge them, I think. Better.
Then yeah, I think that's right. You can make a small mouse. Oh, right, with the clay. Okay.
Very sticky. Mix some
Yeah.
dry atta. So we can paint it over now if we want with some green mehendi or more haldi.
Or multani mitti. Multani mitti with haldi chuna, which will make it red. But just this is so good. There's no need to
Yeah,
paint it
there's no
anymore.
need. Like,
So it's got a natural marbling effect because of both the clays, both the atta, the haldi and atta. Okay, very suggestive.
this is the mouse. Oh, is it looking like a mouse?
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, okay. This just shows. Yes, done. Okay, thank you, Rashi. So we've made this in Studio Karwa from ingredients, organic ingredients, kapli atta and haldi from Taru Naturals. Thank you.